something different. Salmonani Dumelang Mzansi. Lee, I know you're the boss, you're disturbing me. Welcome to Niyathembana Na. I fix, I neutralize, I destroy. My name is Lisa Sirami. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirami _ I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it. Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirami. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas. No, but
no, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke ebale nobala. So yini inkinga yakho ngani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi nemfihlo?
But what is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what? Hi guys. Hi. I'm so sorry to ambush you guys. My name is Lisa, right? I've got a YouTube channel and I go around asking couples questions. Is it fine if I ask you guys questions? Like a couples quiz.
Quiz?
It's fine. Alright. Name?
Kenzani.
Kenzani and?
Vusi.
How long have you been together?
Approaching a year right now.
Approaching a year.
Yeah.
Still going strong?
Yeah.
Alright.
Everything is well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's all I can say.
Okay. Do you trust your partner from a scale of 1 to 10?
It's an 8.
8. Girl, where's the 2? I need to know where's the 2.
There's been some ups and downs there and there, so yeah, it's an 8.
8.
Yeah. 8.
Alright, do you trust her?
Yeah, I'm
100%. 1 out of 10.
I can say maybe 9.9. Yeah.
9.9.
9.9.
Then we left with 0.01.
0.01. I can tell you
Nah?
I'm a girl.
Alright, so in the year that you've been together, no suspicions of cheating? Are you sure?
Serious.
Girl, you don't look sure. You don't look sure. What's happening?
They have been.
Yeah?
Yeah, they have been.
And what have you done about it?
Just forgave him.
You just forgave him?
Yeah.
So you found out?
Yeah.
Oh, he has cheated before?
Mm-hmm.
And you stayed?
Yeah.
Why? Why did you stay?
I will.
I love him. You love him. Is
Yeah.
that why you stayed, girl? You love him.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Shows you stayed. So make sure you don't cheat again then.
Yeah, I engage.
Ne? Let's test your loyalty to see if you're not cheating again.
See test.
By switching phones, by switching cell phones.
Switch your phone.
You give her your phone, she's going to go through your phone, she'll give you hers. You'll do the same.
Hey, for my lord.
What's wrong? Are you cheating again?
I'm not cheating. Hey, Masam, get banned. Masam, switch on my phone, go like right now. For real.
To. Yeah, what's the problem? We'll start with hers since you are cracking under pressure. Can I have your phone? But we'll start with hers.
Yeah. So Lisa, hey.
Thank you, girl. Let me stand in between you guys. All right. Do you have a password?
No.
You don't? Okay, please give him your phone. All right. Here you go. All right.
So
WhatsApp, ne?
WhatsApp.
All right. Okay. Type. I love you.
I love you, ne? Okay.
Okay, but
I think in them thola kumdedo.
Yeah.
Now I love you ngina kumdedo.
Yeah. Loyal queen.
Yethanda.
All right, delete. Type. I miss you.
Miss you.
So, clean, ne?
Yeah,
Sbu. Okay, delete, type pregnant.
I'm pregnant.
Just type pregnant.
You.
You never know. These girls hide big things these days, you know?
But Niyathembana.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Okay, delete, type morning after.
Morning after. After.
Okay. Oh no, there's nothing. All right, delete and type babe.
Baby. Isasebenza musla. Babe. Okay.
Okay, that's. It looks like you and females.
Yeah. My females. Yeah.
All right, delete, type thank you.
Thank you.
Let's see who's doing her favors.
Aye.
I don't see anything dodgy.
Damn lo, bona mina.
Yeah, you do your women favors. All right, so do you have Facebook or Instagram?
I don't have Facebook, I only have Instagram.
Instagram, ne? All right, let's go out. Okay, yeah, Insta. Then we're going into the DMs.
DMs. Next.
No, there's nothing.
Aye.
Okay, girl, can Sunny, congra. Right, it's your turn now. Do you have a password?
Hey.
Hmm?
Hey.
Okay, please.
Divule. Yeah.
How else would we go through your phone if you don't unlock it? Aren't you stressed? Like, I'm stressed. You're stressing me.
I'm literally shaking.
Yeah. Thank you.
Aye.
All right. Type I love you.
Who's nosy?
Go into the chat. Actually, just go to media. Let's just make this very quick and fast and see what kind of pictures they're sending. Sibona izinto up.
Izinto.
Izimanga. Sibona izimanga. What are you doing with Nozi? What are you doing with Nozi? Uyayiruza.
Yeah?
Uyayiruza.
Kubani unozi?
Oh, you don't know what's on your phone.
Hayi.
Abesibusi unenza isibhanqo bani ubusi?
Vusi.
No, nozi nobusi uba abo babonke labo.
Go into Vusi. Yeah. Sbu, what's happening?
Ngicela ifoni yami.
What's happening?
Ngicela ifoni yami.
What's happening?
Zanishiya apha
What's
yazini.
happening?
Gani?
Who's Vusi?
Hayi, akho busa apha.
Who's Nozi?
Hey. Kunozi.
Nozi.
Hey, unozi.
Yintoni kuwe?
Ngicela ifoni yami.
What is she?
Khensani ngicela ifoni
Isibhanqo
yami.
nenza qhwaba ngempama mna.
Uqhwabe mna?
Ngizaqhwaba
Wena uqhwabe mna?
Ngizaqhwaba
Ah, unalungelo la lonto nozi.
Ngubani ubusi?
Kubusi. Uthi ngibani ubusi?
Hayi chino ngiqhela ikaka wena man.
Nayi manje. Kodwa ifoni yami.
You know what? Let's call them.
Sister,
Let's
ngicela
call
ifoni
them.
yami.
Let's call them.
Ufonela ba?
Do you want to call? I think let's call Nozi. Do you want to call them? Can I please have the phone? Ooh. Who are you more concerned about, Vusi or Nozi?
Ubusi angazi ubani.
Okay, give me the...
Ngiyamfonela. Hey Khensani.
Wesibusisi.
For what? Why nimfonela?
What are you trying to protect your other relationship?
Ifoni yami nje, ngicela uthathe ifoni yami lapha ya. Ngicela ifoni yami nje kuphela.
Ask her what she's doing with Spoone and how long they've been together.
Hello.
Njani?
Ngiyaphila. Sacela ubuza ukuthi uhlanganisani noSibu.
Ngathi ubani lokhuluma la?
Umuntu kaSibu lo okhulumayo.
wena obhizi nomuntu wami.
Hayibo. Usibu umuntu wami uzama ukuthini mawuthi ngibhizi nomuntu wakho?
No, ubuthi like idala sithola and mangithatha ukubheka ngathi ngiphathekile.
Hey.
Sure. Hayibo.
Hey ya. Akakutheli ukuthi ujola nami.
Ngiqale nini ukujola sisi?
Dala sijola girl like it's been 1 year sijola. And ngiyazi nawe and bengifuna vele ukuthi sikhulume. Uyeka nini umuntu wami?
Hayibo. Sibandisa uqhalwa izinto zakho mina yamuva lo mntana bawuthini?
Because lento niyangibora. Like sehleza nawe.
Uyamuva lo muntu bawuthini na?
And umuntu wami umthathekile.
Ungiqhelisa nejanga zakho ke ngoku.
Yini ukhona lapho ukuthi ngitomnika ifone ufuna ukukhuluma naye. Nginike ifone ngoku azongiexplainela kahle lento ayenzayo lapho.
Yeah.
Ngalo mntwana angikhuzanga ngaye.
Hayi man, Kabam, ngicela ifoni yami ndihambe man. Ngicela ifoni yami.
Are you done? You're not gonna talk to your woman. You're not gonna apologize. Anifebi. Are you gonna apologize?
No
Yeah,
man.
you
Benizothini
Are you
kani?
gonna apologize?
Kubani?
To your woman, Kensani.
Ish, Kensani. Hayi.
Tongue tied.
It's not a tongue tied.
Talk.
Ish. Sithando sami. Ngingaqheli. Awunalungelo uniphendula kanjalo kodwa. Analungelo uniphendula kanjalo.
I tell you respect from Dochitayu. Why do you
Anjidi.
like respect? Do you think you deserve it?
Yeah, I
You
deserve
You
it.
deserve respect. No, that's cute. Are you gonna stay with him?
I'm not going to.
You done?
Khawuhambe kunozi noma uba loyo busy naye aninaso isikhathi sakho hamba.
Mamela.
Hamba.
Then what are you doing with her? What are you doing with
Aye.
her if I'm trying?
Just nje man.
Just enjoy what?
Ngithanda uKhensani. Like ngihlala
Then
nawe,
why are you
ngithanda
cheating?
wena.
Then why are you cheating?
It's not just niyachita naye.
What?
Hayi. Khensani mfethu angeke unishiye.
You done? Ne?
Iqibile hamba sibu. Hamba sibu.
Ngiyahamba.
Hamba.
Okay, guys, I'm sorry to ruin your day. You guys will talk it out.
Benizothini cameras bafethu? Hayi man. Yo, Khensani.
Oh, bored.
Khensani.
It's over. Let it go. It's done.
Now uyapapa kodwa.
Apparently. No, you wanna hit me? Why are you coming close?
Cela ungigqithise bona ngiyobamba lo mntana ngesandla. Ubuzothina?
No.
Ufike sihamba kahle nomntana wami
Ufuna unibetha? Suba liqaba. Ibethu intombi. Bethwa ngetissue mna. All right, CMTV viewers, that is it from me. Do follow me on Instagram, lisasirame_. I will see you later. Sanibonani dumelang mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Siram Ntombi Yaseqebecha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
Siyayibona into yenzayo.
No, but nengani.
No, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke ebaleni obala. So yini inkinga yakho kani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngingabi nemfihlo?
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?